And the mayor of St. Paul, Chris Coleman, always connected with the Somali communities. As you know, that 29,000, according to CNN, died. The famine lasted 3 months, and also a lot of Somali communities working, and a lot of Minnesotans, they worry about what is going on in Somalia. They supported a lot of organizations. They standing up for this to solving the problem in Somalia, and they send food and also shelter. So the mayor, Chris Coleman, will say a few words about the famine going on, how he feel about that.
Well, I think as we come to celebrate the end of Ramadan, as we celebrate Eid, it's important for us to remember all the families, all the children that are suffering and struggling in East Africa and Somalia. It's a great tragedy of tremendous proportions. And so we also, while we break fast at the end of Ramadan, we should also remember those that are doing without right now, and the children that are suffering and the families that are suffering. So let's not forget that. Let's do what we can to help. Let's provide whatever support we can.